Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Hello, it's Wendy, and I am the founder, CEO of Results Matter Dental Marketing. And I am just getting ready I'm in my car, and I'm just getting ready to go and visit a client. And I wanted to, talk about what we're going to talk about today, which is when you have success, it brings higher level problems. Okay. And that's a good thing. And here's what's happening at this practice. So they wanted to move from just doing basic implants to full arch dental implants. Okay. Full mouth restorations. And so we've been working diligently and doing all the stuff that needs to be done to make that happen. And also the market that they're in, there's a big Hispanic population, folks that speak Spanish. And so, I suggested that we do some marketing in that area. And, even though, I knew it was going to be successful. And what they did was they hired one person at the front desk who speaks Spanish, because no one in the office speaks Spanish. And what happened is that, and the person that they hired doesn't have dental background. So I run my ads, I'm doing all this stuff, and next thing you know, oh my gosh, it's like calls are coming in. It's amazing what has happened with this particular segment of the population. They're coming in droves. But here's the thing, only one person in the office can actually talk to them. She doesn't have background in dental, so she's learning on the fly. Now, one thing is to talk to them to have them come in. But what happens when they walk in the door? Nothing's in Spanish. She talks to them, everything's fine, but then she's got to go in. She's got to translate for the doctor, the dentist, the treatment coordinator, the assistant. She's got to do all of that all on her own. There's no paperwork that's in Spanish. Nothing else is in Spanish. So it created a bigger problem. However, they've been accepting treatments. And so what are you going to do? You deal with the problem and you hire more people that speak Spanish, hopefully that have dental background. You change what you have or add the Spanish language for everything else in the office, and you just ride it as long as you can. So, success is a good thing. Just know with every success I have found, there's always been a higher level problem. All right. So just success beware. All right. Make it a great day.